We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and Prog actually took off today and it's pulling back down. And we're going to talk about why it went higher, why it's pulling back, and we're going to look at it with 42 vision. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get in on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with Prog and everything going on with the stock. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get in on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. No matter what volatility is thrown at us, if the stock market's going up or if it's going down, we will continue to strive for opportunities like these. So every single one of them turned out to be a home run. These are the three stocks I mentioned this morning, and let's go ahead and see how they performed in the chart. So IDW was under a bull indicator since yesterday. It was leveling off on 42 Vision 2.0. We got that confirmation of strength, and it hit a highest point of 20% plus since we mentioned it in the pre-market. Then we have NES based off of yesterday's price action. I was watching it. It was pulling downwards and consolidated towards the bell. Started going into strength, 42 Vision 2.0, and that bull indicator as well as confirmation. And it went up to a highest point of 25% plus. And then we caught SEAC based off of yesterday's news. We were watching it. It was dipping, went into extreme weakness, popped back up, consolidated, slightly dipped after the bell, and after those lows, it got that bull indicator, started pushing upwards, slightly pulled back, 42 Vision 2.0 showing strength, 42 Vision as well, and hit a highest point at the time of the screenshot of 30% plus. So if you want to get in on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and Prog continues to fight to get back up, but it loses momentum really fast. So we're going to look at it here with 42 Vision 2.0, and also Ultimate 42 Vision and what it's showing on the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 1-day. Now, what is going on here with the chart? Well, it is fighting to get back up and pulling back down, and I'm going to share with you guys the data that confirms it based off of yesterday to today. And I want to share with you guys that you can gain access as well to 42 Vision now. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. And by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you can gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to navigate through the volatility of the markets with confidence, with clarity, to maximize on opportunities no matter what is going on in the charts. So here we are with Prog, going up, pulling down. Well, why is that? It has to do with the short interest. Now, the one thing that keeps on going higher is the days to cover. This is huge. Days to cover keeps on going higher. That is going to create a huge catalyst for a huge squeeze if the shorts keep playing with fire in this situation. Now, if the bulls can hold it up. Now, the dark pool short volume ratio is 41%, and it's been going down in the last several days, right? We saw it in 50, 47, 41, but today it is looking like it wants to go higher. And I'm going to share with you guys why. And there is one reason. The short shares availability went from 0 to 450. There's probably been some covering here and then re-shorting because this was at 0 availability yesterday, and this is the last update 18 minutes ago, and the short interest is still at 17%. It's been jumping from 18 to 16. We're back up to 17. Days to cover keeps going higher. It's still pretty low though to give flexibility to the shorts, and that's exactly what we saw here. Go up really fast because of that covering and then re-shorting around this area and bring it back down. So we're going to look at the technicals here within the chart and what is important to be aware of moving forward as this days to cover keeps going higher and the short interest keeps going higher and the dark short volume ratio keeps going higher, okay? Because it's going to come back up from 41% back into the high 40s or probably 50s, putting more pressure. So as these three keep on going higher and this keeps going higher, it's going to show eventually that some covering is happening. But within that volatility, there's also shorts getting trapped, thinking they can short at these levels to bring it back down. And they're going to get caught by a surprise if the bulls hold this up, right? So today's support is 239. Yesterday's is 233. If this breaks through the 230s, it's going to be important to watch this between 230s and $2. Like I stated yesterday, that is a very important area of support to see if the bulls try to bring it back up, if it ends up back at those levels. Now, if this is actually fighting to get back up and it can continue and the bulls dominate this and keep pushing up here as 42 Vision 2.0 is showing, this might just be the beginning of a huge bear trap, getting these bears to think they can reshort it, bring it back down, and the bulls are going to push it back up and trap more shorts if they can break through 273 and then all the way back up here at 286 and then $3, right? I've talked about the $3 area. That's where we really want to see this come back up and bounce off of to reach newer highs and new resistance levels based off the charts and what it's showing. Now, the bulls tried really hard to fight here. I mean, from yesterday's dip at the 230s to today's high at 274, it has nearly been a 20% move, but it went right back down to the 250s. But from down here to here, that's the beginning of a staircase effect if we're going to continue this route in this direction. So let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour as well. So on the 4-hour, we go ahead and look at it. You could see here how it's still under this bull indication, okay? I stated how important it was that it was pulling downwards. We have not seen a bear indicator pop up just yet on the 4-hour, so it's still holding true. And one of the biggest things is this was trying to hold up here, right, in this area, and it started going downwards. This is super important to realize that on the 4-hour, it's been going downwards, and we are under a bull indicator. If this switches over to a bear indicator, it will get a lot more bearish. If not, this might be holding true based off the specific levels that were being met in that area. And if 42 Vision 2.0 shifts back up with it and changes over to green like we've seen before in the history of the chart, it will be a huge dramatic impact and change in the markets of Prog and what's going on with it when it comes to a squeeze, right? So when we see the 1 day though, it's been under a bear indicator for some time, and we also saw here that shift from green to red, and it's been pushing downwards all this time. Now if we pull up also here the 42 Vision and bars, it has been under extreme weakness and sideways action here, trying to consolidate. It tried coming up, it went back down, and we really need to see this push back up with the 4-hour, with the 30-minute to push this up back up to newer highs and newer resistance levels based off the charts and what is going on with the data, guys. If you want to receive clarity like no other, check out the link down below to the 42 Vision indicators. By joining the 42 Vision indicator tier level, you'll gain access to the daily home run opportunities we look for every single day, the weekly watch list, a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter what is going on within the charts. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.